This Innovation Day, we're going to add a little spark to what it means to be innovative. It's about the everyday inventiveness of our people, not just the big eye innovations that we all love to celebrate and applaud, but there's a sense of grit and resiliency and a true doing more with less that is the hallmark of the innovation mindset here. Innovation starts with each and every one of us, every member of the ASU community. And Spark is one tool, one approach to help activate and engage that innovation mindset.
The Spark method creates an environment where people feel comfortable coming together to examine challenges and opportunities and then collaborate to develop solutions.
People who participate are empowered to work through issues, develop solutions, and new innovations. The Spark Way brings about change in process, where each team member brings new ideas to the table, and it's contagious because it's fun.
ASU's charter is embedded in the process and is part of the solution in each case. We see change as an opportunity to come together and uphold the values of the new American university.
The process of collaboration helps to develop innovation in everyday work. Spark was designed to promote the collaboration that can create the transformation of everyday problems and challenges into impactful action plans.
It facilitates innovation in all things: research, workplace, leadership, and development. Spark focuses on the process of defining and understanding a problem. It helps diffuse situations by directing focus on the process and not the people. And it brings a group into a solution-oriented mindset.
Spark builds on a community of like-minded people that communicate and connect to problem solve and to create new ideas.
Please join us on November 1st, Innovation Day, to spark ideas and solutions across all of ASU's campuses. Our innovation mindset is really at the heart of our culture here at ASU. As the Spark tagline says, innovation starts with me. So, what will you spark this Innovation Day?